Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding Hives. Today we are going to build an automated birthday WhatsApp bot that can send personalized birthday messages to your friends and family automatically. I will show you the demo. Here we will use Python, then PyWhatKit and Groq AI to generate personalized messages. Name, phone number, birthday, and the relations. So according to this, AI will generate a message, for example, like this. This is the message now generated for my mom. According to the relation, a message is generated and it will send to the corresponding number. Okay, you can see now WhatsApp is loading. And the message came here automatically, and now it will send automatically. Okay, so that's it. So first we will create a folder for our project. So here I'm going to create a folder. Now I will open a VS Code. So we can write like this code dot. So in this folder we need our file like a Python script, then environment file and our CSV file with the birthdays. Okay. So first we will install the required libraries. Pip install. Then first we need PyWhatKit. This library let us send WhatsApp messages automatically. Okay. Then we need PyAuto GUI. This help us to press enter automatically to send messages. As you saw in the demo, the message is sending automatically, right? So that for that we need this library. Now we need python-dotenv. So python .env. Then we need Groq AI as the message is generated by AI. Okay, so we need to install these all things. Yeah, pip. So here I need to correct it as pip. Okay. So next what we need to do is we need to set up the environment variable. I mean we need to create an API key from this Groq, and we need to create a env file. So for that I am creating a file named .env. Okay. So in this file I am storing my API key. I can write like this Groq underscore API underscore key is equal to, here you can paste your Groq API key. This will keep our API key safe instead of writing it directly in the code. So you need to make sure to replace here with your own API key, okay, that you can get easily from that Groq website. So here I am going to paste my API key. We are going to create a CSV file to store the birthdays. Okay. So for that I am writing the file name as birthdays.csv. Okay. So this file contains all the details. For example, we can say here I am writing in a way like name, then phone, then birthday, then a relation. Okay. So you can see I just put two contact here, Sita, then a contact number, then date of birth. Day is in a format like month and a date. Okay. So for the testing purpose, I gave today's date like 10/14 for my mom. So AI will generate a birthday message for my mom and it will send to this number. Now we will write the Python script. So I am creating a file name like birthday underscore bot. Okay, .py. So first we need to import all the necessary libraries. So here I'm going to import import. Then I told we need PyWhatKit, right? So here I am making an alias for the comfort as kit. Okay. Next we need a date time, right? We need to check the date, is the birthday is today or not, right? So for that I am importing date time. Next we need a CSV, right? So I am importing CSV. Next we need a .env, right? So from .env import load.env. Okay, I'm adding some logging messages for the clarity. I mean to show the errors and information. So for that I can write import logging. We need auto GUI also, PyAutoGUI. We also need import time. Then we need to import Groq, right? So import Groq. Um, you can say like this, from Groq, import Groq. Okay, I think this much only we need. The first step what I'm going to do is I will make a logging dot basic config. Then we can write here level is equal to logging dot info. Then we can mention the format. Then put percentage. Then here I can write the time. Then again one more percentage. Then here message. Then I need a date fmt, that is equal to, I can give a percentage, I can give the format. So here I want in a format like hour, then minute, then second. Okay, so this is the logging setup. Next I need to load the API key from the .env file, right? So for that I can write like this load.env. Okay, we need to get the Groq API key. So for that I can write like this, Groq API key is equal to, we can get that from the env. Okay, so here I can write like this, os dot get env. Okay, os dot get env, and in the parenthesis I can give the variable name. So here the variable name is this one. We created the variable name in that file also with this name only. So I'm just copying this. Okay, we need to also import OS. I forgot to do this here, so I can write like this, import OS. Okay, next we need to initialize the client. Okay, so we can initialize the Groq client like this. Client is equal to, we can write Groq Groq. Then here we can write like this, API underscore key is equal to, then we can mention the Groq API key. Okay, here also we need to make like this Groq. Okay, now it is okay, I think. Yeah, Groq. So this will connect Python with the Groq AI, so we can generate those messages. Okay, now we will generate a birthday message function. So here I'm going to create a function named we can give a generate message. Okay, so in this function I will create the message. I mean the AI will create the message. So here what I'm passing is, I will pass the name and relation. Okay, so for example name, then a relation, mother or father or whatever it is. Okay, so here we will create a prompt. Okay, So in this prompt we will tell how what we need, like what kind of message we need to generate. Okay, so here I can write like this. These three codes means we can add multi-line sentences. Okay, so here I will write something like this. So this is the prompt I wrote. You can write your own prompt according to your style. So here write a lovely heartwarming birds of birthday message for name. So the name of the person will be coming here and the relation will be coming here. So according to it, it will generate, I mean AI will generate a message. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to pass this prompt to the AI, I mean to the model. Okay, so for that I can write a try catch block. So here I will write like this: response is equal to, then client dot chat dot, then completions, then dot create. Okay, so here we need to pass some arguments like the model, then the message, then temperature and all other features. Okay, so here we are using the model like Llama model, and Llama model, then we can give like 3.3, then 70b, then versatile. You can find the model name from this Groq. I will show. So this is Groq.com. Um, Here go for dogs. Here we are going here to generate text generation, right? So here you can see the model is mentioned here. You can copy from here also, no problem. Here they are giving some sample code how we can generate. Okay, so you can refer it and you can do accordingly as on your project. Okay, also here you can see the optional parameters also mentioned: temperature, then maximum tokens we can use. So you can use you can refer it and do accordingly. Messages is equal to, here we can mention the role. So here role, so role is user, then the next one is content. So content is the prompt we already made, so we can simply use that one, but we remove the spaces. Okay, so I can write like this: prompt dot strip. Okay, we have a function strip, so we can use that. Okay, so this is the messages. Now we can add this temperature also zero point 0.9. Then maximum tokens we can mention, like maximum tokens is equal to, here I am giving 100. Okay, so here we send a prompt to Groq AI asking for a personalized message. So this temperature equal to zero point 0.9 makes messages more creative, and maximum token 100 means it limits the length. Okay, so now it will return a response, right? So we can take the first response from the AI. So here I can write like this: response dot choices of 0. That means it will take the first response. Okay, then I can write like this: message dot content dot strip. Okay, so strip, this is the response. Now I can return this response to the terminal as well, so that you can see, and also I need to return that message to the calling function. So I need to return this message also to the function. So first what I'm going to do is I will make a logging so that I can know in the terminal that what the AI is returning. Okay, so here I can write an f string like this. I will write a message generated for, here I can mention the name. Okay, then I can pass the message here. here I missed one thing, like message is equal to, okay. So now this is the message. Now we can return this message as well, okay. So I can return this message. If AI fails, I mean if AI is not generating any response, we can make an exception like here, except exception as E. If so, we can give an automatic message, some messages, okay. So I will give some messages like this. Happy birthday. Then here I can mention the name, okay. That is a sample message only. So here if AI fails, a default message is used, okay. Now next what we need to do is we need to send this message to WhatsApp, right? So for that I am going to write another function like send WhatsApp message, okay. So here what I need to pass is I need to pass the phone number and the message we are getting from this AI, right? So this is the arguments here we are using. So here what we need to do is we need to get the time, okay. So here I can write like this, now is equal to datetime dot now, okay. So it will get the current time. Next I need to get the hour, okay. So here I can write now dot hour, okay. Then I need to get minute. I will write like this, minute is equal to now dot minute, and I will add 2 plus 2 minute to buffer. It will take them some time to take the buffer, right? So I'm just adding 2 extra. Now we can make a try catch block. Here as I told, for that library, I mean this one PyWhatKit, we are using an alias name as kit, right? So we are using that variable name, I mean that alias name here. So here I am write kit dot, we will call the function send what message, okay. Here I will pass the phone number. So here this is our phone number, then the message, okay, the message. Then I will pass the hour. We have hour, right? Hour and the minute, okay. So this time is passing here. Here also we can give a message for clarity, like logging.info. Like it will take some time to load WhatsApp, right? So here we can show a message like loading WhatsApp, okay. So here for user friendly, I mean it will take, we need to wait some more time for WhatsApp, right? So for that I can make like this time dot sleep. I will write here 25, okay. So this will ensure the page loads completely. Now when the page loads and sends a message, we need to enter to send to that corresponding person, right? So for that I can use this library. Then we can use this fresh function. Then here we can mention enter. So it will enter that message to the corresponding person. Now here what I'm going to do is I need to show a message in the terminal as well using this logging. So here I am writing like this logging.info. Then using an F string I can mention like a message sent to, we can mention the phone number if we need. So here I am just writing a message, okay. Now if any issues comes, I mean any exception is there, we can give an exception except also like this exception as E. Here what I'm going to do is I will make a logging dot error, and here in that string I will write an error message like could not send to phone number, we can mention here. Okay, so here this PyWhatKit send what message, opens WhatsApp web and types the message. Okay, now this enter presses enter to actually send to the WhatsApp. Okay, why we are using this time.sleep 25 to ensure the page loads completely. Next is we need to check each birthdays and call the function, right? As we load here with some details, I mean name, phone, birthday and relation. So here the last step is to we need to check birthdays and run our board. Okay, so here for that I will write a function like check birthdays. Okay, check birthdays, and here we will get the current date. Okay, so here I can write like this date time dot now. Then we can make like this. We need to just extract the current month and date, right? So here I am writing like this, percentage m, then percentage d. So this will extract the month and date only. Now we need to check is that month and date is there in that CSV file. Next we need to check is that corresponding date is in our CSV file, right? So for that I can write that also we will make it in a try catch block. So here we can open that CSV file, right? So I can write like this with open. Then I can mention the file name. So the file name is birthdays.csv, right? So this is the file name. Then we can mention the mode. So here the mode to open the file is read mode, right? Then I can write like this as a file. Okay. So next what I need to do is I need to make a reader is equal to CSV CSV dot dict reader. Okay, and here I can mention file. Now we need to read each row. Okay, so for that I can write for row in a reader we need to extract the name, phone, birthday, and relation. As I told, in this CSV file, we have name, phone, birthday, and relation, right? So we need to extract that all things from that file. So here I am writing like this row of name. Okay, same like this for all other fields. I will just paste here, and here this is phone, right? So I will write phone. Birthday. Next one is relation. Okay, so here I can write relation. Okay, now we need to check if birthday is today, right? Birthday we are getting here, the birthday is the month and the date, right? So if this birthday is today, then we can call the remaining functions, right? So next what I'm going to do is I will check if today is equal to birthday. Okay, so then we can give a message also here, like we can give a message like logging dot info. Then here using a string I can give a message, it's we can give name, we can write like this, name's birthday. Okay, and now we need to call the function, right? So we can give like this message equal to generate message, then name comma relation. Okay, we can pass the name and the relation here. Okay. Now, once generated the message, we can call the function to send that to WhatsApp. Okay. So here we can call this function send WhatsApp message, and here we can pass phone comma message. Okay. Clear? Now, if sometimes there will be no birthday, right? At that case, we can just give a logging message. I mean, we just give a message in the terminal, like logging.info. There is no message, like there is no birthday today. Okay. Clear? Now we can make an except also here. We can also give an exception like this. For example, like file not found error. So if so, we can write like this, the file is not existed or not found, like that. Okay. So here I can write like this, file not found. Okay. So this much only. Now we can call the main, I mean check birthdays here, like this. If underscore underscore name is equal to main, then we can call this check birthdays function. Okay. So this one, check birthdays. So when it is calling check birthdays function, what is happening is it will take the current date, and it will go for each row in this CSV file, extract the date and check is today is any birthday in this list. If it is so, it will call the function to create the message, then send that message to WhatsApp. Okay. Now we will try to run this code. Python birthday. Okay. We can see here, this is the message generated by AI, and these are the messages we are printing using that logger. Okay. So it will take few minutes to load WhatsApp. You can see here the message came here and it automatically put enter. Okay. So it's really cool, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.